Hey. What's that? That's okay. That's what we're going to do now. Don't worry. Okay, 210. Class begins. Good. Thank you, everybody. Sit down, please. And Happy New Year. Yeah, it is. It's not Happy Chinese New Year, but it is New Year. Now it's 2020. Great. Okay, everybody. Do you all have this book?
Yes.
Have you read it yet?
Yes.
Have you?
Yes.
It's okay if you haven't read it. This is going to be the first time we read it today. Okay? So, if there's some words you don't know, that's okay. We're going to read it together now. Alright? So, what is the name of this book?
The Healthy Food Party.
The Healthy Food Party. So, who can tell me, what does healthy mean? Hands up. So I've got 2, 3 people that know, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. Oliver, what does healthy mean? Food. It's about food, but what about the food? Hands up. I want to see. Chinese? First, try and give me a way to say it in English. Angela.
Good for you, but it's good for you.
Yeah, food that is good for you. So, okay, give me the Chinese now.
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. So, we all know what healthy food is, yes?
Yes.
Party. I don't like parties. Do you like parties?
Yes.
So you know what a party is, yeah? Okay. Yeah, you have a party on your birthday, a party at Chinese New Year, a party for Christmas. So, let's open your book. Right, now where are they? They are in the classroom. Very good. Let me zoom out a bit. And what is the teacher writing on the board? Okay. Mrs. True's class was planning a party. And all the children say, let's have candy. Let's have candy, Kwan said. I want lots of chips, said Fred. Chips and candy? Good. What good? I like that word, junk food. And do they mean the same thing? Yeah, junk food and unhealthy mean the same thing. Padma wanted soda. What is soda? Ashley. Okay, so tell me a soda drink. Coca. Yeah, not Coca. Oh. Levi, you said it? Coca-Cola, not Coco. Okay. Stella, do you have another one? Alex asked, can we have cake? And Jamie asked for pies. How do you say pie in Chinese? Pie. Pie. So you know what pie is? Uh-oh. How does the teacher feel? The teacher thinks, no, Miss True thinks, no, children. We need healthy food. And said Mrs. True, too much junk is not good. Right, so what kind of healthy foods do you think Mrs. True might want the children to bring to the party? Hands up. Zoe. Fruit. Good. Amelia. Steak. Okay? Stella? Vegetables. Alex? Peas. Rich?
Some juice.
Some juice. Great. These are some good ideas. Let's see what the children bring to the party.
No.
No. Okay, healthy food. And all the children raised their hand, just like you did. But they just did not understand. They did not understand. Don't worry, said Mrs. True. I know what to do. What does that mean?
Yes, idea.
Good idea. Mrs. True has a good idea. Okay. Okay, turn over the page so you can see too, and you can read the words. Are you on the right page, Priscilla? Very good. Then Mrs. True looked around, and her eyes lit up with what she found. What did she find? My pyramid. Well done, Levi. My pyramid. And the pyramid shows us all the healthy food and how much we should eat. Good. This chart shows healthy food, said Mrs. True. Healthy food is good for you. Good. So look that. Come back. Okay, so look. What do we have here? Can you try to say it? Grains. And grains, what kind of food are in the grains category? Rice. Not cookies. Okay, hands up please. Stella. Bread. Daniel, can you tell me one? What do you eat every day? Is white. Huh? Noodles and rice. Good. Is it a cookie?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Then crackers. Okay. But cookies are usually sweet with lots and lots of sugar. They are not very sweet. Okay. So, what's the next category? Vegetables. You know what vegetables are. Next category? Fruit. And then you know what fruit is, yeah. What fruit can you see? Yeah, great. What's the next? Ladies and gentlemen. What's milk? Good. Very good. And what is the next category? Meat and beans. Great. So, now, this pyramid tells us to eat what the most? Tells us to eat what the most? Let me see who's got their hand up. Somebody over here. Lucas.
Grains.
Huh?
Grains the most.
Grains the most.
Meat.
Did you turn the page?
Did
Did you turn the page?
No.
Follow me. Turn the page. Good. Can we have steak? Asked Jake. Can we have ham? Asked. Good. I'll bring up veggie, said Reggie. What's a veggie?
Veggie like vegetables, but short.
Yes, like vegetables. Great. Next week, I'm going to give you a little quiz on this book. Next week, okay? So, quiz, like a test. Okay? Okay? That's okay. Quiz or test, okay? I'm going to give you a test about this book. Everybody put your book and put it under the table. Put it under the table. Okay, great. And everybody make sure you look at that at home, okay? Right. Do you want to play a little game? Okay. What's happening next week? Who can tell me? Yeah, you have all your tests. Are you scared? Final test. So you have some science tests, some Chinese, maths, play a little game today to get you ready for them. Okay? Okay, now one person in your group is going to line up here and take a whiteboard. The other person in the group is going to line up here and take a pen and an eraser. Okay, let me see when I've got 2 lines. So one person is here for the whiteboard. Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, quiet. Okay. Right now, Ella, I want the lids on pens. Okay. So, how many people in one group?
2.
How many whiteboards?
1.
How many pens?
1.
How many erasers?
1.
So you need to share. Anybody that cannot share, do you know what they are going to get? Today, if there's anybody that can't share, they can have, I have a pencil, and I will give them a piece of paper. Do you want a pencil and a piece of paper? Or do you want a whiteboard and a pen? Yeah, exactly. So you need to share and work together, okay? Okay. We're going to play the gremlin game. So, now, this gremlin game is going to be a little bit different. Because it's going to have English, it's going to have maths, and it's going to have some science. No Chinese. But don't worry, this time you have 3 answers to choose. You can choose answer A, you can choose answer B, or you can choose answer C. Okay? Right. Now today, Teacher Ryan and Teacher Cece, I'm not going to do the points on the board. Okay? You are going to do it by yourself. Okay? So, can everybody on their board write 100? Very small in the top corner, like this. Very small. Okay, Tika Arno, I only told you to write 100. Just write 100. Wow, Angela, can you take a sticker for little listener and follow the instructions? Good job. Just write 100 and sit nicely. Great. Okay. So, the first one is an example. What does example mean? Right. So it doesn't matter if you get it right or wrong. But I hope you can get this one. Ladies and gentlemen, quiet please. Which picture matches the word quietly talk to your friends? Which? Are you on the phone, Daniel? Are you on the phone? Hello, I can't answer this question. No. Which picture matches the word? Okay, if you've written your answer, keep it to yourself. Are you ready?
Yes.
The answer is elephant. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Very good. So now you can have 106. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, quiet, please. Are you ready for question number 2? Question number 2. The first one was an example. Okay. Now they will get harder. Which two pictures match the words? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Answers up, please, so I can see. The answer is. What's this? Carrot and. Great. So do the maths, please. Minus or plus your points. Ooh. Who can read that question for me? Toby. Which one is an acute angle? A maths question now. 3, 2, 1. Answers up, so I can see. Nice and high, nice and high. Ladies and gentlemen. Well, when I can hear the cars outside, then we'll start. I can hear the cars now. That was you guys last time. Okay. So, sorry. What's this angle? Right angle. Yes, you are right. What's this angle? Obtuse angle. Very good. Obtuse. Excellent. It's still a maths question. You have to read it. Let me see if you can read it by yourself. I'm not going to read this one to you. Eyes on me. I'm Jack, okay? Jack has 17. Jack has 17 sweets. So I have 17 sweets. My friend, his friend gives him 6 more. Give me 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 17 plus 6 is 23. Okay? Which is the correct sentence? Now the questions are getting harder. Which is the correct sentence? Can you read them and find out? Okay, I'm going to read this one to you. Aaron, Joseph, can you pay attention? I'm going to read this one to you. So animals have different things that cover their skin, yeah? So which answer shows the pictures in order? So we have scales, feathers, and fur. So scales is 1, feathers is number 2, and fur is number 3. Scales, feathers, answers up, please. Answers up. Okay, the answer is B. Everyone there? Everyone say scales. Feathers. Fur. Scales, feathers, fur. Look at the graph. Look at the graph. Which months rained? Which months rained the most? Okay, is it A, B, or C? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answers up, please, so I can see. Nice and high, nice and high. We got an A3. We have A3 over here. Yours is up right now. A3, A3. We got A3. We got A3. We got A3. A3. Everybody agrees. The answer is
Every.
8. Very good. Who can tell? What does this say? The least. And what does the least mean? Good. And the most. The least. Good. But we are not finished with the graph. I'm not going to read the answer to you first. I want to see if you can do it. Not the answer. I'm not going to read you the answer. I'm going to read you the question. Okay, answers up, please. Nice and high. Sorry. See, we've got a C3 over here. We've got a C3 over there. We've got C3. Okay. Is there anybody that didn't say C? Anybody that didn't say C? Okay, let's read the question. Okay? 210, eyes on me, very important. Maybe you'll have a question like this in your test, so pay attention. How many months had less than 50 milliliters of rain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. The answer is A. You've got to read the question carefully. Everybody minus 3 points. Everybody. Is there anyone that doesn't understand why it's A? And that's okay. So everyone understands, yeah? How many months in 1 year? In one year? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each one is 2 months. Okay? And get ready for your eye exercise, please.